Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to replace wiper blades of BMW X3. I have a 2017 BMW X3 here. It is very easy. First, you will have to bring the wiper to this position for you to be able to work on replacing it. But how to bring it to that position, it's a little bit tricky. Start and stop the engine for a second. Now come and push the wiper. It will give you resistance, but after 3 seconds, it will allow you to push it up, just like that. So push it up. Once you do that, bring it to that position. Just slide out the wiper blade, just like that. It is very easy. There is no special lock or anything. And just insert the new one and push it tightly in there. That's all is needed. Now I'll do the same thing on the other blade. Yeah, turn it to that position and just slide it out and replace the new one. Just push it in and make it tight, and that's it. You're done replacing the wiper. Yeah, close it back to its original position and it's all set. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post a comment and I will reply to you as quickly as possible. Have a great day.